Hi, I'm the Wacky Gentleman. Today, we're going to learn how to roll up an extension cord. First thing you got to do, whip it across the lawn. Try to get all the kinks out. Grab it like so. Like so. Roll it just like that. Stupid thing. I gotta be honest with you. There's no proper way to roll up an extension cord. Whether you're rolling it up, it tangles up. Whether you're unrolling it, it tangles up. That's what they do. That's all they do. You're just better off grabbing it, throw it in a box. There you go. No more aggravation. End of story. It doesn't even go in the box right. Who designed these things anyways? I don't get it. Baffles me. I'm out.